All right, another week comes to a close, and here we have the Universalift 8000 FP XLT. We did one of these a couple of days ago. They're coming through looking real nice. Beautiful garage. See, we got a Corvette and a Ferrari going on here. Double your parking space. Well, we hope you have had a great week out there, and we've had a wild ride. Right? Pretty cool Friday. Couldn't ask to be in a more beautiful place, that's for sure. Hope to see you soon. If you need a lift, contact Christy. They're coming in. Back orders are going to start filling in, and installation spots will be filling up, but we're out of here for the weekend, and we hope you have a nice restful weekend out there. See you soon.